If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Gbop Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Gbop Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced...
Good morning, everyone. Are you looking for a way to boost up your earnings from the online? Then stay tuned to this video if you are always searching for online making of money. Stay tuned to this video and listen to the video carefully. There is an organization on articles writing going on right now that I'm going to share with you. This is a very legit platform that have a link with AdSense and they work with Google. And you know, anything based with Google is always legit from the state. And they have gotten the appropriate monetized by Google and they work with Google AdSense, so they pay money through bank accounts and in none of the minor banks like mobile money. Anywhere you want to receive your money, it can be paid to. And if you know you are not in Africa, you are in any of the other countries, you can receive your money through PayPal or crypto. For us not to waste time, let's just jump into this now. If this is your first time being in this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification post. If you've already been here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like the video and share to your friends. So let's just move on. Now to dive into this, check in the description of this video, there is a link. Use the link to register. So using my link to register, you've been able to register your account without any issue. And this account registration is not free. You are going to pay a sum of $2, and in Ghana it is going to be 32 Ghana cedis. So you pay the sum of $2 to be able to activate your account, because this is a working platform. After paying this, it will turn to your working platform, and you have to read the principles and the about of this platform before you start working. This is just for you to put on any article, anything that you write from your experience or anything you know out of love, you can put it. So you'll be writing your stories with your happiness while you are earning something from it. This is quietly good. You don't earn much. Let me short these videos. Let's divert into it. So when you type on the link, let's just say the link will be like this. So let's check. This is how it will be on the description section. So when you type on it like this, it will dive you into a space like this. So it will bring a space, and the name of this platform is BlockPay. Use the link to register before you get any issues, and there are referrals there. Don't earn any issues or don't force yourself into any issues without using the link. Just register with the link. They said BlockPay, publish your apps and get paid. Post articles and earn a living from BlockPay monetization powered by BlockPay ads and AdSense. Now get started. You can come down and read some things. If you still want anything that are not convinced, you can tap on this thing here. That's a live chat, and you chat them and you ask of anything you want, they will tell you. Now scroll down. These are the number of people who partake, the total users. You see it is reading. Now we have the premium users, we have the total writers, and we have as revenue shared. You see, this is the amount of money that's being sharing every single day, and this is about it. BlockPay is a platform that allows writers to publish articles and get paid. We believe in the power of writing and its ability to change lives. Our mission is to empower writers by providing them with a platform. So share their stories and receive compensation for their work. We believe that everyone has a story to tell, and we are dedicated to helping people share their stories with the world. Our platform is easy to use and provides a variety of tools to help writers create beautiful engagement articles. We aim to create a community of writers who are passionate about their craft and committed to deliver quality content. And now, this reading all this will be long, so just scroll down like this, and you see they said register for free. Register for free. These are some fake actions today. Looking make the same extra cash by doing something you love. Look not further. Just scroll down. I want to show you some things here. Now, this is how frequently asked questions are. They say, why do I need to subscribe? Only premium users can post articles and earn from blog pay as revenue share. That is how the website has been created. You have to pay and you'll be a premium. It's not like YouTube, you have to post a content and reach a requirement. For this one, you don't have to post and reach some requirement. The requirement is for you to just pay $1.99, which is equivalent to 32 cedis in Ghana here. So if you're in Ghana, it's 32 Ghana cedis, not that much. The money that you use to buy food, just put it in your head that you are throwing it away and start writing your frame of articles with your happiness, and with some due time you'll be earning some commission out from it. It's an experience to those who are into tech. Some of these things, you learn them and you continue on. That is even a way for you sharing your ideas. You can post your articles there, people will come and read them and they'll know what you do. Now the second one, how much do I earn per any article? They say you're going to earn 0.01 cent per each article to 0.02 cent per each article. So if you post any article, that's what you're going to earn from them. And if you invite people for them to also read your article, you are going to earn a commission from them. They'll pay you that same amount from it. So they will automatically pay you 0.01 cent. And if your article is that nice and loving, they'll pay you the 0.0 cent. So the 0.2 cent per each article. So if you can upload more articles per day, that one you earn. If you don't have time to, you can advertise about your article. You can write something, a story that is loving, and share it to your friends in any of the social media platforms. The more they are reading it, the more your generation is coming. So anytime you don't feel like doing something, you can write. And if you don't want this one, you want to create your own blogging platform, you can put it in the comment section. I know how to help you too. This channel provides a lot of things to a lot of people. So anything about your online tech, anything you want to do, video tutorial or anything you want to do, just come to this channel, subscribe to it, and wait for more videos like this. The second one said, why are my videos views low? These are the reasons. We recommended that you share your articles on various social media platform to maximize your earnings on BlogPay. Doing so will help you reach a larger audience and potentially increase your earning. Thank you for your interest in BlogPay. Are there any hidden charges? No, there are no hidden charges on BlogPay. We are pleased to inform you that publishers receive 70% of the ads revenue recognized by the BlogPay and Google in connection with the service. My withdrawal has still not reflected. Withdrawal payment cash out will be paid between 25th to 30th of every month. Do well to lodge a complaint through our live chat if payment delays. You can only withdraw your payment when your money reach $10. If you are in America or anywhere that your currency is in dollar, you can only withdraw your money when the money is up to $10. If you are in Ghana, when the money is 100 Ghana cedis, you can withdraw. 100 Ghana cedis, you can withdraw. So let's just move on. Now we are creating the account. At the right hand side there are 3 lines here. You can type there. Now if you are already having an account, you can log in. Now we have home, about, advertise, write as, or contact. Now if you want them to advertise your brand or anything you have, you want people to know more about your product or something, you can register an advertisement account, and that one you'll be paying them while they are advertising your product for you. But if you want to write apps and get paid, you type on the right. So you are going to register. So you type on register, and when you finish registering, you will know how you are going to do your own. So just type on registering. Don't type on any of them. Just type straight on registering. So you type on registering. Just type on registering. Now you enter your first name. Assuming my name is Bope. The last one is Tech. Now you come here, you enter email account. Let me put in an email account. I have jjj@gmail.com. Now you enter your phone number. Let me enter any phone number that I have. I have 0201463218. Or username, the name you want to always use to register. So let me put Tech 52. Now enter a password. A password you love to always use. So you enter it. So this is it. Now create your account. Don't save. If you want, you can save your password. Not now. I am not saving my password. So it will move you to the dashboard or the interface of it where you are going to start everything. They say sorry, account already exists with email or phone number. I already have an account, so I'll definitely log into this account and teach you more. So this is my account. This is the interface of my account. Now, when you did not pay or you do not subscribe to this channel, you are not being able to allow to post an article. So they'll take off article posting now. At the top of the left corner, there is a 3-dot line here. When you tap on it, we have the menu there. When you type on the menu, the names will be coming. Now, the first one is menu. The second one with the flag sign have its own name, flags. When you you have the dashboard. The second one is flag. Like when you post an article like 3 times of it, let's say one article you want to repost it, or you copy someone article and post it directly, they are going to take it out of it. They'll delete it, and if you don't take it down, your accounts will be on suspension. Now the second one is paid post, the articles that they have already paid. Now the third one is referral, and the fourth one is paid as revenue, and now verify. You see my own is verified. If you do not verify or subscribe to this, they will tell you to verify your account. They write unsubscribe. So when you finish paying, you write there verify, and you come down here, we have settings and this. Now I want to show you my withdrawals. I've already withdrawn 100 cedis from this platform, and they have taken their 30% cash out from it and pay me the 70 cedis from it. Now when you type on keep writing like ends down here, it will bring you the money you've what, and it is still loading. Now this is what I have withdrawn. You see it, the money I've been able to accumulate from the ads was 150 pesos. Now I make the withdrawal. This is what I earn, and when I make the withdrawal, I receive 70 cedis, 35 pesos, and the commission they took was 50 cedis. Sorry, 30 cedis, 15 pesos, and they said paid. It has already come. I received this money. That's why I started making this video about this platform. You know, in GoPayTech, before I make a video, I have to take the risk to create my accounts. When I run on lost, I'll come and tell you this platform is fake. This is not like those investment platforms that you invest your money. When it's time for you to get all your money back, they'll close down. This, when they are facing any challenges, they'll put it on suspension. Definitely they'll open it. That is when the bank is going on corrupt or a lot of things. That doesn't mean they are terminating. When they come back, you are not going to pay anything again. That money you pay will be there. You use this to work. So if you are a government worker or anyone who is working and you want a side commission, this, if you close from your work, you can sit with your laptop, your phone, just to post. It's about anything you can write, other stories, anything. So if you want to start writing, now you type on here. Let's say you want to subscribe. So you type on here. If you want to subscribe, you tap on here. You come down here. This thing, the yellow thing here, you type on it. It will send you to where you are going to subscribe to your account. Because I have already subscribed, it can go. I don't have any blind account that I use to do this because I already have one number to register the account. So when you tap on it to send you, it is a direct payment. They'll just ask you to put the number or the bank account where you want to transfer the money from. They'll pick the money automatically, like the way you are drawing money from your money account. And within 5 to 3 minutes, they will verify your account for you. Now, when you want to write an article, you see here, type on it. Now they'll give you an article writing and a design tools that you are going to use to make your article look delicious and nice. So you are going to write the phrase of paragraphs here in this box. You see it. Now you scroll down. When you finish writing, the total number of articles should reach 300 plus. If it is 299 self, they will not accept it. It should reach 300 plus. So when you finish writing, you now come down here. Now the word date count, they will count your words of article here, what you've written. It will be written here. Now it says post title, you write the title of what you are writing about and come here category, what you want to what pick. So if it is news, if it is arts, entertainment, autos and vehicles, politics, beauty and fitness, book and literature, region, business, industry, a lot, anything you can write about. And these categories is where you are going to post it and you get more audience. So you should base on where you think you can get more audience, and you can go and read more about this people, where people read a lot. So now when you finish, you upload a video, a picture here, and you write a subtitle to what you've written, a short description of what you are talking about, and you are going to upload three pictures in your article. So you see here, this is where you are going to type and upload it. So in any paragraph that you open, you can upload the picture or anything you want to put there about your article. So this is how you are going to do it. Choose any picture, automatically it will be sent there. Okay, thank you once again, and this is the end of the video of today. We'll meet on again, and I'll teach you how you can earn more from it, your referrals and all those things. So this is just part 1. Meet me for the part 2. Check in the description, the link is there.